This trailer was created entirely with AI, from the characters to the voices to every frame you are about to see. And in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how I did it, the tools I used, the decisions I made, and the mistake you must avoid if you want to create an AI-powered film that actually works. And if you stay till the end, I will show you how to generate professional voiceovers for free, no subscription, no payments. But before we dive in, grab a Coke, grab some popcorn, let's watch the trailer.
At what point did it stop being a choice? "12 cells activated in one night. All of them model citizens, teachers, engineers, people we knew.
You think this begins with a decision. It doesn't. It begins when every option starts closing quietly.
But people still choose.
Choice is a luxury for those with full stomachs. For the rest of us, it's just survival.
You're saying you were recruited.
Who are you?
We are not individuals. We are a system.
No, harvest is the right word.
The harvest is ready. It's time to take the crops to the market.
So you want the government to give you immunity? Based on what grounds?
When you look at me, what do you see? A prisoner or an asset?
I hope you enjoyed the trailer. Now let's break down how it was made. If you want to create a good AI film, not just random AI clips, there are 5 boxes you must check. Miss even one and the whole thing falls apart. Now, these are the 5 things. First, a solid script or idea. 2, generate your images. 3, convert those images into videos. 4, create your voiceovers. And finally, lip sync your characters. So, let's go through them step by step. Your script is the foundation. If the script is weak, no amount of AI will save it. So, treat your script like a Hollywood blockbuster draft. Refine it, rewrite it, sit with it till you fall in love with it. Once your script feels good, then and only then do you move on to the next phase. This next phase is very crucial, and this is where most AI films break. And no, it's not the tool's fault. So break down your script and isolate all the characters. Ask yourself, which characters appear in multiple scenes? Which ones return in different locations or costumes? The reason this matters is simple. Those characters must look the same everywhere. Consistency is everything in an AI film. To create my main characters, I use Higgsfield AI. So click the Image tab, choose Nano Banana Pro. So down here on the dialog box, input your prompts. I generate my master characters in a 9:16 aspect ratio on a white or gray background. And the reason is simple. This gives me better facial details. correct body proportions, and a clean reference that keeps the character consistent. So what this means is that I can take this character and use either him or her in whatever scene I want, which is very good if you want to nail that consistency. So once you're done, hit generate and you have your images. These images become your character Bible. So you must not miss this part if you want to maintain that consistency across your film or your project. To place a character into a scene, so just hover your mouse on the character and you see this reference image. So click on it, it gets added to the reference box down here. So once that is done, input the prompt for the scene, choose your aspect ratio, resolution, and hit generate. So that's how I generated all the images for this film. Now let's move on to the next phase. There are many AI tools out there. No, you don't need all of them. For this project, I mainly use Veo 3.1 and Kling AI. So inside Higgsfield, click the video tab. Once you click on the video tab, choose your model. For me, I'll go with Google Veo 3. Once that opens up, what you need to do is to upload your image. After uploading your image, input your prompt, set the duration that you want, either 4 seconds, 6 seconds, or 8 seconds. Then you can also choose your aspect ratio and the quality that you want. So you have two options here, either 720p or 1080p. Once you're done setting all of this up, you hit generate and you have your video. So pretty simple, right? So that's how I converted my images into cinematic video shots. Now, what about this scene where the camera transitions from the interrogation room to the kids on the street? To achieve this, I used the start and end frame feature in the newly released Kling AI 01 model. What I did was upload the interrogation image as the start frame and the street image as the end frame. So I inputted my prompt and I hit generate. This allows you to create story-driven transitions, not just random cuts. If you want specific prompts that I use for this particular project, just ask for it in the comment section and I will send you that exact prompt. If this tutorial has been insightful so far, don't forget to like and subscribe. We are pushing to hit 10,000 subscribers before the end of the first quarter. Now, let me show you the tip I promised earlier. For this project, I use an AI tool that lets you generate professional quality voiceovers for free. And to access this tool, just head over to Google AI Studio. Once you open that up, you can choose between multi-speaker audio or single-speaker audio. In the style description box, describe how you want the voice to sound, the tone, the pacing, and the emotion. So in this text section, just paste your voiceover script here. And on the right-hand side, you have about 30 voiceovers to choose from, whether male or female. And you can as well preview them before selecting the one you prefer. Afterwards, come down here and hit run. Once you hit run, it will take a bit of time and then generate your audio for you. Once you are done, right-click on the audio file and save it into your computer or device. And that's it. No subscription, no payment. Totally free. The big question I always get is, how do you lip sync the characters? In all fairness, I think that deserves its own video. So in my next tutorial, I'll break down the best AI lip sync tools in 2026 and show you the one I personally use. Make sure you don't miss that. My name is Osa Crafts. Welcome to 2026.